was crying one Christmas night, and his mom and daddy heard the tears as they turned down the hall light. Daddy turned to Mama and whispered in her ear, "I wish Santa could have given him more this year." Then Mama said, "We have enough. The star in the sky gives us a Christmas of love. Give our son time, and he'll soon understand as he grows up into a young man." Then they turned and went in to kiss their son goodnight and try and stop the hurt their little boy had inside. And they said, "Tonight we pray for you to sleep, and in the morning you will see Mom and Daddy don't want you to be sad. Santa's given you all that he can." The little boy sat up in bed, dried his eyes and shook his head and said, "I'm not crying for me. I'm hurt because you had nothing under the tree." And he said, "Tonight I prayed for you to sleep. In the morning you would see I don't want you to be sad. I love you, Mom and Dad." With that they put their arms around their little man tight and whispered he had given them the greatest gift this Christmas night.